grab my arrow tool. And then here, you know, when you see the bullish 3-pin formation, this formation is telling us that price is going to go back up, and look what happens. And then let's keep going. Double top. We identify double top. Double top is a reversal formation. Look what's happened. Price went down. So you know what? Once you start seeing these patterns on your chart, trading, it actually becomes easy and really fun to learn. So this is, you know, this is what I want you to do. I want you to treat each lesson like it's an important tool you need to absolutely learn. You know, maybe you've learned about candlesticks in the past or the other topics I've covered, but the thing is, everyone teaches and everyone does this analysis just slightly different. And I've had a lot of experience in my life, and I've taken, like you've known, I've taken a lot of courses. I actually bought 13 courses and absorbed a lot of information, so that's why I know what I'm doing. And I'm teaching you guys 100% free. You know, a lot of you, some people go to Facebook chat groups and just ask random people for help. Stop asking random people for help. I have volunteered to give you all the information I've collected over the last 10 years, and I'm going to give it to you in a fast-paced course, and you're going to be able to understand what I'm telling you very quickly and learn how to trade faster than ever before.